Good thing you didn't poop in Cookie's house. Oh my goodness, that would have been terrible. I don't want to leave Coco unattended.
Yeah, it's probably.
You tired? Is it nap time, Cookie? What are you doing, Coco? Oops. That was... I trashed the house, Coke. There. There. What do you think of Coco in the house, Cookie?
Holy crap.
What?
Tickets are already sold out for nearly they went on sale at 10. It's 10:04.
Wow, there you go.
Wow.
Are you kicking Newman out, Cookie out? Or are you kicking Newman's out? Kicking Newman out. Okay, I'm gonna run down and get food. She's not supposed to Cookie now.
Oh, actually, I got tickets. $127 a piece.
You got the ticket?
Yeah.
Are they close?
It's just in the field.
Huh?
It's in the field.
Did
Remember
you get?
where we saw?
Did you get 4?
No, I just got 2.
Hi.
Think I should get 4?